Jesus, Jesus, I wanna thank you. I'm gonna praise you for your grace. Most blessed one. Mo pariwo Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé o. I wanna thank you. I'm gonna praise you for your grace. Most blessed one. Mo pariwo Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé o, Baba ẹ ṣé. Oh my Jesus, Jesus, I wanna thank you. I'm gonna praise you for your grace. Most blessed one. Mo pariwo Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé o. I wanna thank you. I'm gonna praise you for your grace. Most blessed one. Mo pariwo Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé o, Baba ẹ ṣé.
Hello, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are watching me from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you. God bless you all. In today's video, guys, we are cooking. Yes, guys, we are making creamy pasta with mushroom. This is my daughter preparing the food for us. Right now she's adding onions. She already added salt. And now she's adding fresh pepper. And she will stir for some time. She's stirring it now. She's afraid of stirring it so that she don't get burned. I told her she should lower the gas if she's afraid of stirring it. Now she's adding tin tomatoes, which is tomato paste. So she will fry for some time. Fry this for some time and stir. Later she will now add mushroom and fry for some time. She's adding mushroom now. She's adding the mushroom and stir. Add another one. Stir, stir, stir. Fry for some minutes. Leave it to fry. Now she's adding all the seasonings. So you can use any seasoning of your choice. Continue watching the rest of the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.
praise you for your grace. Most blessed one. Mo pariwo Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé o. I wanna thank you. I'm gonna praise you for your grace. Most blessed one. Mo pariwo Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé, Baba ẹ ṣé o, Baba ẹ ṣé.